What's going on, everybody? This is all helpful content, and today I am showcasing you the all new aim controller I just purchased. This is a unboxing. This is the Venom edition, so let's get right into it. Now, the perks of owning an aim controller are better precision when it comes to competitive gaming. They use a thing called TMR joysticks, which are magnetic joysticks, which utilize a better precision, they say. So if I can get this open here, sorry, I kind of really suck here with this thing. So this package came all the way from Poland, believe it or not. I mean, this thing got a Sharpie on it. It should just break it. There we go. Okay. There we go. There we go. And there we go. Take a look at it. Yeah, so these came all the way from Poland. Poland are the guys that are making very, very good quality controllers. So here is the box. As you can see, it's got some stains here. Don't know what that is. Got a nice little invitation saying, "Thank you for your purchase. Your controller was made by Dominique." Dominique, thank you so much. Let's see, what is this here? Okay. Oh, here's a pro controller guide. Okay. Now let's open the box. Here's the fun stuff, right? Let's take a look at it and see what's in here. So as you can see, aim controller. This is the Venom edition. You're gonna have these cool aim pedals, lifetime warranty, aim sticks, aim grip, and smart bumpers. So there's supposed to be a mouse click bumper in the rear. Oh, look at that. Now that looks nice. Okay, this thing is really, really gorgeous. As you can see here, next level controller TMR inside. Your joystick has been calibrated and configured. Nice, nice, nice. Here we go. Let's take a look. Wow, this thing in person looks gorgeous. Very, very much paying attention to detail here. There's Venom right there. And you got your aim logo here to power it on. It says, "You are what? Mine. You are mine." Interesting. Let's take a look at the back here. Oh wow, you can feel the grips right here. So when you're playing and your hands get a little sweaty, it'll grip here, so you're not gonna slip out of your controller. Here are your instant mouse triggers. So when you push this, I'm guessing, there you go. You hear that? It's a mouse-like click there. Also right there, mouse-like click. And then you got your aim. What does that say there? Aim, low. You got the upper ones and the bottom ones. Wow, this thing is really, really nice looking. Aim up top here. Feels great in the hands. Well, so far, we're gonna have to test it out and see, but I like to play claw. See how easy will it be to press these buttons here. Okay, now let's see where the remapping and the joystick pads are. Here they are. That's a weird position to place them in. Usually they should be inside of a box, right? But they're literally sticking right out here. Wow, look how tiny that is. Let's see if they have an extended version here. No, same thing. I'm guessing they're all like this. Here we go. This is a little longer nipple here. Sure, I should say connector. Okay, so this is the longest one we have right here. I mean, for FPS gaming, I don't know if this is sufficed, but these are strictly made for FPS gaming, for fast-paced action. Let's open up the box and see what's in here. Oh, wow, what is all that? Okay, so you got your cable. Very, very nice. Feels like a heavy-duty, good quality cable here. I think the threading here is really, really good. It's thick and heavy. And then what is this here? What is this? What is this for? What do we use this for? If somebody knows what this is used for, let me know. Leave it in the comments, and I might just sell you some money. Who knows? If I'm feeling kind or not. All right, and these are supposed to be some of the top-notch TRM. Okay, so it just connects like that. So it does make a pretty big difference there. There you go. So it actually does, because it has two levers there. You have the bottom nipple that kind of extends out, not like the PlayStation Edge where it kind of sinks in. So whatever you push in, or the Xbox, what's that Xbox one called? The Xbox Series 2. That one is, you just pop it out and it goes pretty deep in. This, on the other hand, has already a connector around it. So the nipple does come out a little bit, so it does extend the range a little further up, which is pretty cool. But again, it just comes down to how it functions. That's gonna make all the difference. So these are the TMR joysticks here, right? So they use a magnetic connection, so they're not actually like a physical connector, but it's magnetic. So the way I read it is that basically it has a magnetic pull, and it gives you better precision, no drift at all, right? No drift at all. And it extends the quality of them because of the magnetic field that's inside of here. Interesting. So you have a different length here for this side, which, why would you bring this up? This is just your running and movement motion, so you want to keep that as low as possible, which we're going to keep that standard edition here. And then this one, I don't know if I want it this high or just a tad bit shorter, as you can see there. So you're going to get two of these base small models, where they're extremely small. You see that nipple just literally lays on the surface. And then you're going to get this one here. So you get two of these small ones. That's most likely for your left side. And then you get one that's a little further extended. You see that? I don't know if the camera can see it, but you'll notice it here. There you go. You see how this one is a little further extended out than that one? So this is, you're going to keep on your left side for your running and movement. And then this here, these two, let me take this out. These two here, you're probably going to adjust your aim scope accordingly with these two, whichever suits you best. so you get that precision nailed down. Well, yeah, that's the unboxing of that. I'm gonna go test it out. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure if you do have any questions, you drop it in the comment box. Like and subscribe, and see you guys next time. Thanks for watching.